Welcome back. Swine flu is back to haunt India. Across several states, the deadly virus is spreading fast. The number of swine flu deaths is rising sharply. Total 215 deaths have been reported till February 5th. This has led to widespread panic. Rajasthan, Gujarat and Telangana are the worst hit, reporting majority of cases and deaths have been reported so far. In Goa, one has died and 4 patients reported. It's time for tourist destination like Goa to be cautious and be safe.
The number of swine flu deaths are on rise. Total 215 deaths have been reported till February 5th. Since 2014, 238 deaths have been reported due to swine flu till 5th February. Central government teams have been sent to Rajasthan, Gujarat and Telangana to assess the situation and help them to manage the cases. Ever since swine flu outbreak in the state, the situation in Telangana has been grimmed and the state government was shaken up by reports of deaths. In Telangana, total 738 cases reported, 41 patients dead. In Rajasthan too, swine flu scar is getting worse every day. People are worried over the swine flu outbreak. In Rajasthan, total 437 cases reported, 73 patients dead. In Maharashtra, total 33 cases reported, 29 patients dead. In Gujarat, total 71 cases reported, 62 patients dead. In Goa too, 5 cases of swine flu were reported and 1 person has died. The person had travelled to Goa from Hong Kong. Delay in seeking treatment is also a cause of several deaths. Often patients visit doctors only after developing breathlessness and after their condition get worsened. Here are some of the measures and symptoms of swine flu.
The precautions for swine flu is same as what precaution is to be taken for any of the flu or a common cold. Okay, basically it is like whenever you have a cold and you cough or sneeze, you use handkerchief or tissue, something like that. Second very important thing is regular hand washing. This is especially for the healthcare personnel or staffs, okay, so that like the infection doesn't spread from one patient to other patient or the person himself. Okay. Washing the hands with soap, or even when it comes to the hospitals, some alcohol-based sanitizers. Okay. Other things will be whenever somebody has symptoms. Okay. Best thing is like go to the nearby health center or any of the physician or a family physician, take treatment immediately, because if somebody is getting complications, it's better to start the antivirals as early as possible.
It's time for a tourist destination like Goa to be cautious and be safe. Bureau Report, Prudent.
And now a look at the other events in the state.
Home Sweet Home Kokni movie completed its 250 shows. The movie makers claim shows to be houseful. They are happy with the response.
As Home Sweet Home या फिल्माचे 257 शोज कंप्लीट जाता. तातूंतलो रवींद्र भवनान आशिल्लो तो 250वो शो आशिल्लो. सध्या गोंयभर 5 थिएटरांनी फिल्म चालू आसा वेगवेगळ्या शो टायमिंग्साचेर, आनी ही खऱ्यांनीच एक गोंयच्या फिल्म इंडस्ट्री खातीर तशेंच होम स्वीट होमा खातीर आनी म्हज्या फूल टिमी खातीर एक खूब व्हडली गोश्ट आसा, कित्याक गोंयान एक हिस्ट्री जाल्ली आसा ह्या फिल्माच्या निमतान आनी अशीच बरी बरी फिल्मां ह्यान फुडें येतलीं गोंयकारां खातीर.
Goa Talkies will be organizing a short film festival during the carnival season between 20th and 22nd February 2015 at Makine's Palace in Panji. Festival will be featuring short films from India as well as abroad. Talkies has made a special category, Love Goa, Feel Goa, to encourage the college students. The organizers have already received over 80 entries and 2 international entries.
First edition of the Goa Short Film Carnival 2015 on February 20th to 22nd February at the same venue, OD1 and OD2 of ESG, Makine's Palace. It's a 3 days event which is organized by Goa Talkies. We have around 78 entries of short films from all over India and 2 international entries. We are expecting around 200 delegates for the entire event.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.